What you are going to listen to is a source of deep spiritual comfort and unwavering support. The very act of listening allows these sacred sounds to resonate within you, can enhance a sense of protection, foster profound spiritual growth, and even invite prosperity into your life. With each syllable, with each ancient phrase, you are actively seeking to elevate your well-being, to gently ward off negative influences that may seek to dim your light. The significance of Piritha lies not only in its spiritual essence, but also in its profound psychological impact. It offers strength, a tangible connection to the lineage of peace. From this moment forward, you are invited to immerse yourself in the Jayapiritha, the powerful chanting of victory. These verses, passed down through generations, are recited in Pali language, each intonation and rhythmic meticulously preserved to retain its inherent meaning and the potent energy of its sound. This precise recitation ensures that its beneficial vibrations reach you fully. Make this a part of your morning. Allow the Jayapiritha to be the first sound that you embrace your day. Let its victorious energy permeate your being, paving the way of prosperity in its truest sense, a flourishing of well-being, peace, and abundance of your life. Our protector, with great compassion for the welfare of all beings, having fulfilled all perfections, attained the highest self-awakening through the speaking of this truth. May you have a victory blessing.
Siriti mati tejo jaya siddhi mahiddhima gunang aparimita punyadhikarassa sabbamtaraya nivarana samattassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa Dvatting samahapurisa lakkananubhavena asityanubhyanjana lakkananubhavena attuttara satamangal lakkananubhavena jambang narang shanubhavena ketumalanubhavena dasaparamitanubhavena dasa upaparamitanubhavena dasa paramatta paramitanubhavena sila samadhi panyānubhavena buddhānubhavena dhammānubhavena saṅghānubhavena tejānubhavena attāṅgika-maggānubhavena atta samapatyanubhavena jala viññānubhavena mitta karuna mudita upekkanubhavena sabbha paramitanubhavena ratanantaya sarananubhavena mayiha yang sabbaroga soka upaddevaca dukkha domanasupayasa vinassantu sabba sankappat maihang samijjantu digayuko hotu satavassa jivena samangiko hotu sabbada akasa pabbata vana bhumi tataka ganga mahasamudra arakkaka devata sadatum me anurakkantu sabba buddhanubhavena sabba dhammanubhavena sabba sanghanubhavena buddha ratanam dhamma ratanam sangha ratanam tinnam ratananam anubhavena caturasiti sahassa dhamma kandanubhavena pitakattayanubhavena jinasavakanubhavena sabbe mi roga sabbe mi bhaya sabbe mi antaraya sabbe mi upadeva sabbe mi dunnimitta sabbe mi avamangala vinassantu ayuvaddako dhanavaddako sirivaddako yasavaddako balavaddako vannavaddako sukavaddako hotu sabbada dukkha roga bhaya virasoka sabbe upaddava aneka antaraya pi vinassantu ca tejasa jaya siddhi dhanam labham sotti bhagyam sukham phalam siriyayu ca vanno ca bhogam uddhi ca yasava satavassa ca ayu ca jiva siddhi bhava